Are you searching for home natural remedies to combat acidity? In today's video we will explain everything you need to know about ending acidity. Acidity is a burning sensation in the chest caused by stomach acid backing up into the esophagus. It is a common condition that can be caused by a variety of factors, including eating spicy or fatty foods, drinking too much caffeine or alcohol, smoking, stress, certain medications, being overweight, pregnancy. Symptoms of acidity are heartburn, sour taste in the mouth, chest pain, regurgitation, difficulty swallowing. In today's video we will explore the best remedies to avoid acidity. 1. Baking soda. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it slowly. Baking soda neutralizes stomach acid and can provide quick relief from heartburn. 2. Ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and anti-nausea properties that can help to soothe the stomach and reduce acidity. Chew a small piece of fresh ginger or drink ginger tea. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which can help to balance stomach acid levels. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it before meals. 4. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea has antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory properties that can help to soothe the stomach and reduce acidity. Drink a cup of chamomile tea before bed or after meals. 5. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice has a calming effect on the digestive system and can help to reduce inflammation. Drink a small amount of pure aloe vera juice on an empty stomach. On the other side, avoid eating before going to bed. Try to avoid lying down or going to bed for at least 3 hours after eating. If you experience acidity on a regular basis, it is important to see a doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions. They can also recommend lifestyle changes and medications to help manage your acidity. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.